y'all, welcome back to my channel. Happy new year. I hope you all have enjoyed your holidays, and I hope you guys are having a great new year so far. Okay, so today I am going to try to do a talk through install on how I install my wigs. It's going to be pretty much the same thing that I always do. The hair that I'm using today is from DSoar hair. I'm gonna put the correct information in the title as well as the description box. I did make this wig myself. I went ahead and added an elastic band. I did not film myself doing this, sorry, because I know it's a lot of videos out there, but I do plan on filming myself adding the elastic band because I've gotten that question as well. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna just take my scarf down. Okay, so the first step for me before I apply my wigs is I go ahead and add my foundation powder that matches my skin to the bottom of my frontal. So that's what I'm about to do right now. I'm just using like a little flat, it's a broke brush, but it's like a little flat brush. So I always suggest this to my clients that get wigs made by me, to just use your foundation powder. All right, y'all, so I have the foundation on my frontal. I'm just going to apply it now. Okay, y'all, so I have my wig on, and now what I'm gonna do, y'all know I don't really use glue like that anymore, which I haven't used glue since I've been using this, to be honest. But I'm going to do I'm going to tack down my wig with this Got to Be Free spray. Y'all know this is the GOAT for me. This is all I use to take down my wigs, okay? Literally, like I can wear this wig. I've been able to wear my wigs with this alone for like 5 days straight without taking my wig down on vacation. So I love this stuff. So I'm just gonna use this to take down my wig. I start with the sides first. I do my sides first, and then I just spray the top of my material on the top just to take that down. The elastic band is holding it on really good, so that's all the security that I need. Okay, y'all, so what I'm about to do is I'm going to wrap, you know, my edges so that it can lay flatter and melt into my skin. This is where the meltdown comes into play. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna let this scarf stay on for about 10 minutes and let it sit, and then I will come back. So it's been 10 minutes. This is what we looking like. Okay. Just kind of comb everything. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do a middle part today, but I'll go ahead and like jazz up my edges. So to do my edges, I'm just gonna use some Eco Styler gel that I always use. And I'm just using like a little eyelash spoolie. That's what I use to do my baby hairs and my edges. from Foaming Mousse. This is a lot of body. I'm gonna use this around the edges to just further lay them down while I let it set again with my scarf. So I just take this. Be careful with this though, because it can cause your legs to lift if you are too heavy-handed, especially using that got to be spray, because water is what would just lift it up. So, you know, you want to be careful with this. Just take this little edge brush, be careful, and just brush everything back. And I'm gonna take my scarf again, and I'm gonna put the scarf back on, let it dry for another 10 minutes. And then, all right, so it's been about another 10 minutes. I'm taking my scarf down to check. Okay. So I do want a middle part. I got my hot comb on. I got this hot comb from my local beauty supply store. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just add some more of this to the top to help it lay down. Okay, y'all, the last step for me is I'm gonna take my powder again and I'm gonna just go into my part. All right, y'all, so this is going to be the final product. So before the video ends, I did want to come and give a little bit of information on this hair, just in case anybody was interested. Okay, so I was sent hair from DSoar Hair. Thank you guys so much for sending me this hair. They sent me 4 bundles and a frontal of their Peruvian natural wave, and I have 4 bundles, 2 24s and 2 26s, and then I have a 20-inch frontal. Now this hair is very, very pretty, and it's very, very soft. The hair is really, really pretty. I really do love the waves on it. It's just an effortless type of wave where you can just throw water on it and go, or add you a little foaming mousse to it like I did and go. And then as you can see here, it's nice and big and lightweight. It's very light. It's not heavy at all. Of course, you don't need 4 bundles, but y'all know how I do. I need that 4th bundle, honey, to give me everything I need. One thing that I had a issue with when it came to making my unit was with the frontal. When I went to bleach my knots on this frontal, my knots didn't really bleach. I literally left my bleach on my frontal for about 40 minutes, and then I washed it out, and hardly any of the knots changed. So then I went back and left it on for another 40 minutes to see if that would help. And literally, I would say about 25 to 30% of the frontals knots changed. So that told me that this hair has fillers in the hair, meaning synthetic fillers. Now I am able to use heat on this hair. As you saw me use my hot comb, I am able to use heat on the hair. So I just wanted to let you all know that, just in case that was something that y'all did not want. But other than it having some synthetic fillers in the hair, which I do know it has some in there, I know it has some in there, other than that, the hair is gorgeous. The hair is beautiful. Okay, like I said, it's soft as heck. It's easy to run your fingers through, you know, with it being this natural wave. The texture is very, very pretty. It's very pretty. Y'all know I love playing in my hair. But yeah, y'all, other than that, that is all I had to say or mention about the hair. So if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns for me, you know to leave them on down below so I can get to y'all as soon as I can. If you did like this video, definitely give me a big thumbs up so I know. It helps me know if you guys like these videos or not. If you're not a subscriber, please be sure to hit the big red juicy button and join the family on today. Again, we are close to 60K. Oh my gosh, like it's crazy, y'all. So go ahead on and join the family, and while you're at it, be sure to hit the notification bell to stay updated on when I upload in the future. But I'm getting out of you guys' hair. I hope you guys have a great day or night whenever you are watching this. And again, happy new year, y'all. Start the new year off right, okay? Stick to it. I know we all have a lot of dreams and goals we are trying to achieve, and we got it, y'all. Just keep pushing. Just write it down, jot it down, always keep it visually in your face. And this is gonna be a good year, y'all. I'm gonna stop talking. Y'all know I love to ramble. I am gone. Love you guys so much. Bye.